Everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will continue with comparator. So in our previous video we actually discussed some of the things regarding the comparator. So comparator we can store in an intermediate object. Comparator, this one, after implementing the compare method. So that's actually we wrote here, so using the lambda expression. So besides this we can do something else also. So if I just comment out this code and just copy paste here, I need to make it in a different way. So if I have a comparator, there is a comparing function. So comparing what exactly it's doing, we need to go inside there. So comparing, actually it will accept a function and a comparator also. Then okay, so we are sending a function into this one. So we won't know that what exactly happened in a scenario where we are passing a function. So here what I am going to do is we need to pass our test value here, and we need to make sure it will work in the same way that we did in our previous video. Then we are fine. So we are just passing. So in this one we are checking here, we are just passing a function here. So that function, based on that key extracted function, gets non-null, then we will do the comparison. We will do the apply that compare key extractor applies C1. Okay, so we are extracting from this one and applying something and compare to, as the things actually doing here. So it's using the compare to inside the compare method. So we will run this one and we will make sure whether it's working fine or not. So here you can see, even if I change these things into this one, it's working in the same way. Also if you are just okay, I didn't have any getOrder here. So if you are adding some getOrder here, so just code generate getter and setters, and I am adding for getOrder. So I have three things here. I have two things here: test value, order. So if I am passing order here, what's gonna happen? So that's also we need to find out. So if I am giving getOrder, what's gonna happen here? So it will provide the same result, since it is sorting by the order. It's giving the same pattern, same list elements. Okay, so this is an easy way of implementing comparator. So if you have some scenarios like you need to just use this one, getOrder, sort by order, sort by value, whatever field you are mentioning, this is the easiest way for implementation. And also, not only that, you can add the comparison also here. So if I am using this one, getTestValue. So you can see one is with 4 and one is with 5, right? So if I need something differently, if I am providing something differently, 5 and 4, so in this case 4 and 5 I provide in the same order. If I am altering that pattern, what's gonna happen here? So test 4 I added test 1 in this test and test 2 this one. I am just reordering this one. So what's going to happen here? So 3, then 5, then 4, and also here 5, 4. So I need to be in 4 and 5 list. So this one, okay, this one sorting correctly, test 3, test 4, but I need 5, 4 to be sorted in 4, 5. What's going to happen? We have an easy way to implement it. So in this case I need to compare again. So that's the only way. Then comparing, and you need to provide the things here. Things means what field you need to order, based on what field you need to do the second ordering. So here I'm running this one, and you can see that 4, 5, 6, 3. So that's the way then comparing will work. Then compare to, then are the methods from the comparator we can use in compare to implementation. Okay, so another thing, so we implement these things here, then compare. Okay, but another easy way of comparable interface implementation. In comparable we have a method called compare to. Inside this also you can use the compare to comparing. So instead of ordering this one, you can provide comparator.comparing then test getOrder. That's the thing we did here, right? Then just do these things. So it's not going to work here. So what I need to do is like need to provide these objects here, these also the more things, so it will work here. So it's saying like provider object, so in this case we need to provide that here. So this is the way you can implement these things. So why we need compare here? There will be a question, right? So in this case we are providing, okay, whenever we are applying this one, we are providing two objects. Comparator order usually take two objects, so that's why we are using the same method here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.